Hello everyone, Valente here. In today's video I want to show you a relatively rare lock coming from Switzerland. It's a VALENTE Securystar, a Pro Star model. This lock has 3 rows of pins on the right side, right on the top and left on the top. I'm not sure if this model can be found with more pins. For sure there's another higher ranked Securystar model, and maybe in it we can find more pins. As you can see on the core, we have 5 rows, and in each row we can there can be 6 pins. In one row are 5 pins, so in total we could meet a lock with 29 pins, but in this case we have 15 pins, so in the right row we have in the right row and left top, in the right row, so here and left top here we have 6 pins. In the right top we have 3 pins. Yeah, that will be all from this, so let's check out and let's see the pins. All drivers are standard and not difficult, while OK pins are slightly tapered, but all drivers are standard. Okay. Take a look on the key pins. As I said, they are all tapered. But the tolerance in this lock are not the best, so the efficiency of the tapered pins is not very good either. When picking, the rows isolate each other. The binding order is very clear, and each row starts with the 5th pin and goes down to the last one. There is no additional counter milling or nothing like that on the housing and on the cursor. This lock could has some potential to be high security lock, but quality of internals, it's not good. Okay, so let's go to peek and we will see how it works. Okay, VALENTE Securystar Pro Star 3 is in device. It's working very smooth. So let's pick and we will see what we have inside. Okay, I'm starting from the right row. Pin number 1, pin number 2 is loose, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, and number 2 now. Okay, so now top right, number 1 is loose, number 2, okay, and number 3 is loose, and top left, number 1, number 2, number 3 and 4 are loose. Okay. And number 5, and we have an open. Okay, so that was quite nice. And now let's get this lock. Gutting is not super easy and not fun at all. As you can see, nothing left. Maybe I will remove this. Okay, so VALENTE Securystar Pro Star 3, pick it and got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave in comment or find me on Discord. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.